Max, and today I'm going to teach you how to kickflip. So, like, kickflip, pretty simple trick. You gotta have your ollies down, and then you're ready to try the kickflip. Probably also show you some basics. So, for a kickflip, you pop, flick out about here. I like to do it here, and then just have your back foot in an ollie position. So you just find a place where you like. Some people like to do it really far back. Some people here. I like it like a little bit like here, and then just pop and then flick out, and then just the board will probably flip, and then you land like this a couple of times, or like this, or you'll just not be able to land on it and get scared. But the most common is like, you know how to fix that. You just keep like practicing in taking your foot like back. It took me, didn't take me too long to figure out that when you take your foot back, it gets much easier. And that's pretty much how to kickflip.